Henan Yuanda Boiler Co. Limited is a state-certificated boiler and pressure vessel manufacturer, transformed from a state-owned enterprise, with area of 53,032 square meters plant, located in beautiful Xihua County. We have been designing, engineering, and servicing a complete line of coal, biomass, solid waste fuel, gas, and oil-fired steam and hot water boilers for many satisfied customers. With many experiences of boilers research and development, manufacture, installation, and operation experiences, we have a production capacity of over 1,500 ton industrial boilers and over 2,000 ton pressure containers. Our main products include more than 150 kinds, such as steam boiler, hot water boiler, DZL and DZH series coal boiler, SZL series biomass boiler, WNS and LHS series gas or oil-fired boiler, YGL series thermal oil boiler, SHXF series circulating fluidized bed boilers, autoclave brick or block making machine. We concentrate on the development of new technologies on boiler design to improve the boiler efficiency and performance. We always keep closed cooperation with Xi'an Jiaotong University, South China University of Technology, Zhoukou University, Beijing Boiler Research Institute, to introduce the latest technology and skilled technicians. We have our own independent CAD workstation, can strongly guarantee the new product's R&D and manufacture as clients demand. Under our principle of, based on quality, honest to world, Yuanda Boiler look forward to making a brilliant future with you.